Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have shrimp bharta in our menu. You guys can also call it shrimp mashed or mashed shrimp. So for that you will be needing raw shrimp. I got 12 of the raw shrimp over here. And then chopped cilantro, chopped onion. You can also use white or yellow onion, it depends on you, and green chilies. If you don't like it spicy, you do not have to add any type of chilies. So first I will put the raw shrimp on the frying pan. I'm not gonna use any type of oil today. So first we will turn on the stove. And then we are gonna put a little bit of salt. So I'm using only this much of salt. And then wait for the shrimp to turn orange. And then we will go from there. So as you can see, one of the side of the shrimp has turned orange. So now we are gonna just turn over the shrimp to the other side, so both of the sides get fully cooked, and we can enjoy our bharta. So as you can see, all the water is gone from the frying pan, and both of the sides of the shrimp are cooked, and some of the shrimps also look golden brown. So now it's time to turn off the stove. So now the shrimps have come to the room temperature. So now I will be mashing the shrimp. So I'm using this one. You guys can use kitchen hammer also if you have that, or you can use this one also. So you're not gonna mash the shrimp too much uniformly. You're gonna keep a piece like this. Then it's tastier to eat. So now after mashing the shrimp, I will be adding a little bit of salt to taste. It depends on your taste if you want to add more salt or if you do not want to add any type of salt. I'm just using regular salt. And now I will be adding chopped cilantro and then chopped red onion. The more onion, the better your shrimp mashed or mashed shrimp tastes. And then you're just gonna mix everything uniformly or well. I will be adding green chopped chilies and then mix everything well. And now it's ready to eat. So I will be enjoying my shrimp bharta with rice. You guys can enjoy it however you like. So if you guys have liked my recipe for tonight, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.